Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is the Bellator Denial of the Day. We love bringing this content to you. Basically,
Yes,
it's education. Sometimes it's fun. Sometimes it's great. Sometimes it's boring. We get it. But at the end of the day, we want to continue to bring this to you. So, we're just spreading the word, the right word that obviously everyone should be aware of. So, in this particular topic, we're talking about
definitely.
who's to blame if you're underinsured, meaning
Mm,
that let's just say something were to happen to your home and complete total loss, and the insurance company, I'm just giving an example, they insured it for 500,000 but it's going to cost 700,000. So who's to blame for that?
yeah. And this is
That's kind
really
of what
important on commercial properties, which we do more of, is
hmm
specifically these properties are underinsured, might have co-insurance. And the question is, who's responsible? And guess what? It is you. It's
yeah,
you.
unfortunately.
You're responsible. Ultimately, the policy, in almost every single policy, specifically states that the insured is the last stopgap in regards to is it insured fully and completely? Because you know the situation. Did you just make an addition to your property? Did you
hmm
just have a loss? Did you have a car run into the front of the building? Right? We've had multiple claims like that where it's a vehicle that has run into a structure. And like the ins and outs. Is the city doing work? Everything that goes into it, you as the insured know, and so fully responsibility falls on your shoulders. But what I would tell you is if you have a really good agent or an insurance broker, they would be proactive in helping you find out exactly
hmm
what your situation is every year, every other year, however quickly your life changes, because your life changes might be different than my life changes. You're faster or slower, whatever it might be, but it's your responsibility to make sure ultimately. But if you have a really good insurance broker or insurance agent, they should
hmm
definitely be helping you with that.
Yeah, for sure. And just to give you guys an example too, I was actually reviewing my folks' policy, just to kind of see where they're at, and I noticed that their dwelling was like 335, and I'm like, guys, your home is worth like 500,000. Like, you need to
Yeah,
talk to your insurance agent. So that's a bad case of the insurance agent not doing, their job, but ultimately
yeah,
it is the responsibility of the actual insured. And there's
yeah. And
different ways
so
you
I
look.
want
Go ahead.
to go ahead.
No, and there's different ways you can look it up. Obviously, you get your property taxes every year. That's going to give you a number.
Yeah,
You do a quick Zillow, just kind of like some kind of idea of where it's at.
right. I want to make a distinction. So property values going up, absolutely indicative of construction costs, right?
hmm
But what you want to do is you want to make sure the replacement cost is what's in your insurance policy. Whatever it costs to replace that property, that's what you should be insured for each year. And so we've had fires in Colorado that people would call us and they're underinsured by 300,
hmm
$600,000. And we're just like, hey, look, even if we could get you max policy limits, you're gonna have to come out of pocket with multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars.
hmm
So who is at fault? Whose responsibility is it? Ultimately, it's yours as the insured. So make sure you have someone on your team that's helping you out, which is a good insurance broker or insurance agent. And remember, replacement cost is what you want to go after. Yes, values of homes will be an indication, but it's how much would this property cost if I had to rebuild it from the ground right now? Full replacement. What does it
hmm
cost? That's what you should be insured with or for. You could talk to a general contractor, make sure your insurance agent is looped in on that phone call, whatever it might be. But make sure you're fully covered because we have run into situations where unfortunately there's just nothing that we can do. We cannot change a policy contract. We can definitely get you the full benefits of the policy, but does it have the right replacement cost? So
Correct.
this is a great episode, Chris. Thank you for bringing that to our attention, my
Absolutely.
friend. Hey, you guys, we know you like our content because you're still watching. We know who you are. Thank you so much. Give us a like on the video, subscribe to our channel, and then share this with the world because we want to make sure a million people see this video because informed insureds have better lives. Simple as that. So thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next.